Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I'm zoomed down a lot because I just want to show you that I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down because these Fibonacci levels are definitely going to be areas of resistance in this move up. So if we zoom back in, we definitely did turn up on the daily time frame, so I would be recommending logs for anybody trading on the 1 hour time frame and below. We definitely do have what looks like a complete five-way pattern. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce and we do get a break to the downside, then it probably will be the end of a wave A or possibly the end of a wave one. Then we would probably make a very corrective overlapping pattern to the downside for either a wave B or a wave two. So to me, it definitely would make sense for us to go down for either a wave B or a wave two. It doesn't necessarily have to go down now. It potentially could go up more and then go down later on for a wave B or a wave two, which is why I would be recommending longs for anybody trading the very short time frames because the daily did turn up. So definitely keep an eye out on these Fibonacci levels, areas of resistance. Definitely keep an eye out for a bigger pullback, wave B or wave two, before we get a wave three or wave C to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.